Since you're back for another video, that means you're a loyal member of the Bab Squad, so go ahead and click that subscribe button, turn on your notification bells, and get ready for another video. This look is brought to you by Juvia's Place and Morphe. I used the Juvia's Place Warrior palette and the Morphe Boss Mood palette to create this look. I wanted to bring you guys a fall-inspired soft glam, so I hope you enjoy. I think it's really gorgeous, and honestly, this palette is everything. So the shades that I use in the Warrior palette are this shade right here for the lid, this one also for the lid, it's the glitter part. I use this as I think the transition shade, and I use this color as the dark brown. New product alert, this right here is called the Tarte Lip Sculptor. This side is a lipstick. I have never used it. I think it's gorgeous. I just have been in a really glossy mood lately. And then the other side, which I did use for this look, is the lip gloss. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and let's get right into it. Thank you so much for sticking around for this video. I hope you enjoyed this look. If you did, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure you share with all your friends, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.